chabvunduka panguva ine kuMashonaland. Panapa, according to BBC Zimbabwe, vari kuda vachitaura mashoko vachiti right now small scale miners vanganzi makurokoza panguva ino votanga kutandaniswa kuMashonaland after the Belarusians now are taking over. Sana bila mashoko abudanyirwa panapa nobva subscriber or like on the bell icon. Tina BBC abudanyirwa achiti aye in Mashonaland Central makurokoza are being chased away. Belarusians are taking over. I want to post this post. I'm not gonna hear into the presidential page. I'm not gonna cancel. I held fruitful discussions with the president Alexander Lukashenko in Minsk, reaffirming the strong ties between Zimbabwe and Belarus. Agreed to deepen cooperation in key sectors including industry, energy, health, and water purification. With Zimbabwe set to become a regional manufacturing hub for Belarusian products. We also jointly called for the lifting of illegal sanctions which hinder our nation's development efforts. My sincere thanks to President Lukashenko and the people of Belarus for their continued friendship. Thomas Wargudanyoko panapa apa presidential page atukona kuti panapa according to BBC awane masources avo akuda vachiti kuMashonaland Central panguva ino after this petition yokusaina kuitwa this agreement between Zimbabwe and Belarus kwakutanga kuonekwa kunzi some small scale miners vana makurokoza wakutanga kuchesewa away noda kuti pane vanhu vakuya vachizoteka over vachizomaina minerals arimo munyika. Mashoko ari kuda panguva ino vanhu vari kuona aiwa sekutengeswa kuri kuitwa nyika. Madues acho ari kuonekwa as if they are not fair deals just because they are just benefiting those who are signing the agreement, not those citizens vakaita semuZimbabwe angachibenefita Belarus pamwechete the president or people who are surrounding the president, but the citizens in Zimbabwe they are not benefiting. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abvina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.